pool. What up? I'm back. So I just had breakfast. It's hella dark. I just had breakfast, and like while I was at breakfast, I decided to record again because I started crying. And I feel like I started crying because not only am I gonna miss it, I'm really gonna miss being here. But I honestly feel like I've never been so proud of myself, and I kind of wanted to have this moment and share it with you guys. I feel like before I came to Bali, the day like that I was leaving for my flight, like I was scared as hell. I was scared as shit because I mean ultimately like I know that I'm okay with being alone and I'm okay with doing things by myself, but it's one thing to like do things alone, you know, at home in California, and a whole other thing to do things alone when you're in a place you've never been to before. And you can do all the research in the world, but I don't feel like anything will ever fully prepare you to go to a whole other country you've never been to, or even a whole other continent you've never been to. So I feel like I did question my ability a lot to get through this trip. And I feel like not only did I overcome like a fear, but I succeeded at it. And to me, like I just felt so proud of myself. I felt proud of myself to be able to like do this, to do this by myself, and like have an amazing time, have an amazing experience. And it wasn't even like one of those like moments where I feel like I just found myself and found out who I am, but I grew confidence within myself. I feel like through this trip, and confidence in like the person that I am, and proud of the person that I'm becoming. And it just kind of just made me tear up and like just feel like just happy. Like I'm genuinely happy about the person I'm becoming, slowly but surely. And like I feel like this was just one step towards like this great woman that I'm gonna be. And it made me happy. I was just ultimately proud of myself, and like happy that I was able to do this trip, have an amazing time, maneuver in a whole other country by myself, figuring it out. I had problems along the road. I almost like I couldn't get money out of my bank account, but I didn't let that stop me. I kept pushing it. I kept it going. Like I lost my whole wallet, like I mentioned before. Like before even coming on this trip, I lost my whole wallet. And like I don't know, I feel like my family shelters me a lot, and like thinking that I don't have the street smarts to maneuver by myself. And even though I've always saw myself as an independent person, I do feel like their thoughts of me ultimately, like I guess I believed it to a certain extent, like maybe I can't maneuver by myself, maybe I can't handle it. And it was this trip that made me realize like I can. And I was just proud. And I started crying. It was a beautiful moment. I bet people around me were looking at me like, what the fuck is going on with that girl? But I just wanted to have that time to like talk to you guys about that on camera. Because ultimately, like, it's one thing to want to just see a vlog about Bali and about traveling alone, but to know like the impact and the powerful impact it leaves on me will be forever. Like, this trip was 5 days, but what I've gained from this trip will be something I carry on forever. And I guess that's the best part about it all. So, yeah. That's enough emotions for today.